What's going on, everyone? Hope this video finds you, and it finds you doing well. So today, an Alaskan mill. Now, I had never heard of an Alaskan mill a few weeks ago, but my good friend Sam has one, and we're going to go check it out. What an Alaskan mill does is you can slab whole trees. Like if a tree is laying down on the ground, you can run this mill across it and take slabs of lumber to create furniture with. So I'm hoping, I don't know how this is going to go. I've never seen it done. I did some research on it on the way, well, over the past couple days rather, and I'm thinking about it on the way, and it's really neat and interesting to me, but let's see what happens here through the day. I never thought I would think it, let alone say it, but I'm happy to be putting fuel in my minivan. I love this Honda Odyssey, and I'm so glad to have it back. So many buttons to push. Looks like we made it. Let's go check this shit out.
The closest I can get without making it compress and not make them want to spin.
So what do we got, 26 right here?
It's about 26.5 inches. But I was watching people, they took it and kind of like maneuvered it around like crotches and stuff like that.
Running videos.
So what are we gonna do here? Are we leaving this like that?
We're gonna flip it.
Okay, so we're gonna square it, slab it and square
We're
it?
gonna flip it over this way, and we'll just mount this ladder onto it.
Okay.
And we're gonna slide and cut like 2 inches off of it.
Sweet.
It should be deep enough that it'll get.
Hi, puppies. What are you doing? What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Wise guys? Yeah. Well, we can play with doing
That's
that
why I
side
was
to
gonna say
side.
we can go this way, but I just think it'll be a better looking slab that's wide like this with a crotch. And
Yeah,
end
for
of it
sure,
or
for
something.
sure. I agree.
I don't want to ruin.
So what are we going to try to take off of what you already hewn here? Just like an inch?
To start out with?
We're gonna keep it right there where it's at. This is set at 2.5 inches. Well,
Okay.
no, actually, we're gonna have to actually
Drop it?
make it deeper because. Hey, little boy, go tell him about it.
Rory, what do you do? Oh my goodness.
I'm mounting this ladder here to set the rail system up on. Need to get a good look at that. Like I said, brand new, we've not done this before. So you can have fun watching us screw it up. It'll be great.
Yeah, I think we need to do the side rail holes.
Yeah, drill some on the side.
I should have brought my tub of mini screws.
Homemade rail right there. You see that?
Yeah, we're live edge it. You can square whatever.
Well, I got
It's a 36-inch saw right there.
Glove?
You didn't come prepared, so
I
you
did
get
not.
one glove.
well, one's better than none.
You get no gloves.
Dude, this is too wide. I don't think we're going to be able to get through this, are we?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
We will. I measured it.
All right. What's up, Nathaniel? How are you?
That out.
You ready for this?
All right, let's do it.
Let's not get hurt.
Compression switch hit?
Yeah.
Alright, get it out of there. Shim it too.
Check the oil.
Okay. You say our chain's hot? Is
yeah,
that
it's
okay?
smoking, so.
Yep.
All right, let's take a close up, see how this rough first slab's going.
I think too, possibly the chain. You know, in all honesty, could be. It could be sharpened, probably.
Just the rough cut. Then we'll remove that ladder, and it should go a lot smoother going forward. Give it a throw.
Move the throwing area.
Get right in front of him when he's throwing.
Stand right in the center.
Do it, do it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Get it.
Execution. Just our little intermission while adding oil and such to the saw. We're trying to throw knives, but we're not executing very well. Can't say I'd do any better.
Weapon of choice.
I'd probably hit the ground versus actually hitting the wood.
Yeah,
That's gonna come off and hit somebody.
You got one right there though, so there's just.
Oh man.
Ooh, can we get into those other screw holes that are behind us? The screw holes?
Flying off the handle out here. Yeah.
In there when we get past it, you know. So if we're hitting that, and then I mean,
Oh, you're gonna go shovel now?
to the end, try to
Shovel throw?
rest it even, you know?
I'm down.
All right, so compression's.
Oh.
Down.
If
I hit the other end, it would have stuck.
Yeah, I won't be able to tell. Just pull it back. You'll be safe.
Okay.
Just I saw a guy. What he did is he was smart. He got his stump squared off like this, standing like that, and then he had his buddy help him. Once you get a straight edge on it, let the gravity of the saw just like cut down, and then he just chopped it off at the bottom, pulled the slab off of it.
That's real nice.
All right, let's do this.
Look how big this stump is. Look at this.
Should
Massive.
have done. I mean, even these will kick our.
Uh-oh.
I used to make it to where I had like 4 things and I couldn't stop until I stopped all of them, and I'd be out here for a minute. And so if you just remember where you hit. Remember where you remember where you're hitting and how hard you threw for the next one.
See how Mike does
Get out of there, kid.
on record.
With this hand, this way?
Hmm. Right there, up further is that concrete block right there.
That should be in the shot, right?
Yeah, you're in there.
Well, I stuck it in the fence.
Done it many times before.
Damn it. The shovel's gonna be fun.
The shovel's the easiest. It's got 18 inches
Yeah.
Are you getting you some sunshine? Huh? You're getting all kinds of sun. This is one cut he did earlier. We're gonna add water. Look at that grain coming out. Oh, that's beautiful. That's planed and sanded.
Nope.
Clear coated.
Oh.
No, I mean when it gets planed and
Oh,
sanded
yeah.
and clear
It's got
coated.
real good potential.
Here's it looks freaking sweet.
Yeah, that's real sweet over there.
Yeah, that'll definitely be
Yeah, it'd be
really
nice.
nice.
Of the
Try and get a.
surface, you can go that way.
Yeah, you can see the rough cut.
It almost has like a sparkle to it.
Mhm. That'll look good when it's finished.
Chain sharpening time.
Yep.
I gotta go sharp or put charge these real quick. See if that these are holding the teeth, right?
Yeah.
The grill sounds
So the chain went dull. I don't think we're going to be able to get it sharpened before the sun sets and get back into it. So we might have to wrap this video up next week. All right, that was fun. A little unfortunate that the saw blade went dull in the process. They're sharpening it up right now, but still there's not going to be enough daylight to finish. So we will wrap this project up for the night. I got to get home and get this grill going so we can have a yummy steak dinner tonight. When I got home, Sam actually sent me over a couple photos. They were able to finish the cut that they started, but they're not going to do another cut, as far as I understand, until the next time we get together. But here are a couple still images that he sent me of what the finished cut looked like. The dinner of champions. Well, after a steak dinner like that, you gotta let your hair down and take a nap with kitties, right? Oh. Keep shooting that video, guys. That was always the point.